Hi everyone, welcome to ProBuild YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be seeing how to draw this part, and so just before going into that we need to have some drawing study. So to draw this base part we need to start up with this right side view, and all the three data has been given, and the extrusion height is 85 and above is 15, so that it gets tallied with 100. I'm going to start this with the new part, and MMNS part solid absolute. Now since I chose the right side view, I need to go up with right side plane, revolve action. Now I'm going to start with 3D center line and draw half of the profile. So my weak dimensions is appeared. Now this overall height is 85, this is going to be 70, and this is obviously 15, this is 50, and this overall is 100. Okay, my required part is ready. So let me change the view to shaded with edges. So this is the part I'm in need of. Now I'm going to draw this top shape, and for that I need to collect data. So the center circle is R25 and either side is 12.50, and it is offsetted, distance is missing actually, so I'm going to assume that to draw this part I'm going to select the top surface, go to extrude operation and change this to hidden line, take references, and I'm going to select the circle as my reference. Now I'm going to draw a circle. This is going to be 50, and either sides I'm going to draw a circle. So this is going to be 12.50 into 2, so which gives me the dia of my circle. So I'm going to have a tangent line on both sides of the circle. Now I need to make this symmetric, so I'm going to select the center point of each circle and make it symmetric. Okay, now I need to make the offset distance, so I'm going to keep it as 110. Now delete unwanted segments. So change to shaded with view. Now I'm going to put this as 15 and click on OK. So everything is ready. Now I'm going to create a hole, so select hole and align this clip to the planes, so that under placement tab you can put everything as align, so that it becomes 0 to 0. It becomes concentric to this base part. Now in shape I need to go up with this circle's dia, and the circle dia is 30 and it is going throughout the part. My circle's dia is 30, and for this I'm going to select the surface, the bottom surface. Okay, this is ready. Now I need to put up a hole on either sides of this part, so for which my data is 10. I'm going to select a hole. Okay, and I'm going to put this clip on this plane and to the center plane. Okay, my shape, under my shape my circle's dia is 10 actually, and I'm going to align this plane, and offset distance is 110 actually on either side, so half of which is 55, and my height of the hole is going to be up to this. Now select this hole too, and I'm going to make a 3D mirror and select this plane as my reference. So my hole is ready. Now I need to draw holes around this base part. So the holes circle dia is 12 and 6 number of holes has to be made and PCD is 70. So I need to select this bottom surface, going for extrude. I'm going to draw. So just before drawing I need to make some reference. So these are all my reference. I'm going to select this construction mode, go for circle. Now this is R35. Now I'm going to draw a circle of dia 10 and click OK. So this hole shall go up to this top surface and click on this remove material. Okay, it's all done. Now this hole has to be made circular pattern. So I'm going for pattern, axis pattern, and select my axis. Here 6 members and select this 360 degree and you can see the preview of this. So just click OK. So my part is completely ready. So just go for this view and I'm going to select this golden color. At right bottom corner you can find this all part. So you can select, just double click the scroll button. So the part is obtained. You can go for shading with reflections to get the realistic view of the part. Yes, thank you.